Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Price action this weekend played out almost like outlined in my video yesterday. In that video, I highlighted the possibility of the move up to 118,500 being a weekend trap. And indeed, that's what it turned out to be. The real directional movement arrived between Sunday and Monday, with price sliding nearly 3% from 118,500 down to 115,000. At the time of recording, price is hovering near the yellow dotted horizontal around 115,700. This level is acting as short-term support, and if buyers manage to hold it, we could see a recovery attempt toward 118,000, which would represent about a 2% upward push. In the past 12 hours, market data shows that over $364 million were erased from futures order books, with the vast majority of that coming from positions caught on the wrong side and forced to close under pressure. The reset was sharp and has effectively cleared much of the leverage from this range. Looking at the heat maps, the 3-day view shows that liquidity below the weekend average of 117,500 has already been taken out, down to 115,000. The next area of interest is around 119,500. On the 2-week chart, there is still a case for a revisit toward 114,600, and even potentially as deep as 112,000. That would represent a 10% decline from last Thursday's all-time high. Whether such a deep move is necessary remains uncertain, but it's worth keeping on the radar. Momentum indicators are showing early signs of stabilization. A green dot has appeared on the momentum wave after heavy negative pressure, which could signal that selling is slowing and that the market may be preparing for its next directional step. Beyond short-term price action, some broader metrics are worth noting. The top 100 publicly traded companies now collectively hold about 951,000 Bitcoin, with 15 firms adding to their holdings just this past week. Exchange reserves also continue to shrink, now standing at approximately 2.52 million Bitcoin, a drop of more than 23% since 2022. With supply on exchanges declining while institutional demand remains present, the long-term equation continues to suggest that price could face upward pressure if fresh inflows arrive. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.